morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in today's video, we are going to discuss about creating a self-hosted free WordPress blog. Firstly, I want to tell you what is WordPress. WordPress is a popular blogging platform on the internet that allows you to create a self-hosted blog for free. It offers you the functionality to socialize with a large community of bloggers. WordPress offers you the flexibility to manage your content and access credentials, as it has a number of predefined layouts and themes that you can apply to your blog. So let's start. To create a blog in the WordPress, firstly open your web browser. Now go to the website wordpress.com. You will see that the WordPress home page, it will appear in front of you. Now see in the right hand side, there is one option, Get Started. You have to click on it. After this, the Let's Get Started page, it will appear in front of you. Now you have to follow the instructions on the screen to create a WordPress.com account and then log in to WordPress.com. You can also log in using your Google account. Or you can choose an account using your Google account in this way, as I am doing it in front of you. So students, in this way you can create a self-hosted free WordPress blog from this website wordpress.com. I hope you have learned how you can create your own free WordPress blog. For today only this much. Thank you so much.